Hello दोस्तों, my name is Nishan. Today I will show you how we will install Python on Windows operating system and how we will execute Python program and how we will install Python modules by using pip command. These three things I will show you. First of all, you just need to Google on python.org is the officially website provided by the Python. You can just go to the download section and you just need to click on this download option. It will download Python. Will start downloading. I already have a pre-downloaded Python on my operating system that I have here. So once you will download that, you just need to click on this. Just click on this. You will get two options: install now and customize installation. And one more option that you can see, I have a checkbox here to add Python path. This is just a Python path to add in environment variable that I will show you separately. If you forget that to add, how we will add the path manually. So just click on install now. It will install Python. It will take hardly 1 minute to install that. So we'll see you after complete installation. As you guys can see, setup was successful and just close that now. Just search here for IDLE. This is the default IDLE or development kit. You will get it with Python. This is the default IDLE. Just click on this IDLE option and you will get a Python shell. So you can see it's a IDLE shell or Python shell. Here you can write simple lines of code. You can just write some lines of code and you can execute them. Just x plus y. But if you want to execute these three lines at the same time, then you need to create a file. So just to create a file, go to the file option, just click on new file. Once you will click on the new file, it will create an untitled file here. Then you need to save that file. To save that file, go to the file, just click on the save as option. Now save it anywhere on desktop, on D drive or C drive, anywhere you can save that file. I'm using file1 name for the file. You can provide any name to your file. So the file type is Python file. You don't need to change that. Save your file and now you will get a location where your file is exactly saved. Now you need to write some codes. Here you can write, suppose I'm writing hello world. And now just save your file. And then for the run, you will get a run option in your file. Just click on this run button and just click on this run module and you will get the output in Python shell. You have two windows. First one is your file, that's py file. So whatever the code you want to write, you need to write in that py file. And then once you will execute that file, you will get the output in Python shell. So there are two windows. So this is how we will write Python code and how we will execute that Python code. Now the second thing is that suppose I want to set the environment variable for my Python so I can execute my Python from CMD. So if you want to do that, just click on this file to get the file Python location. Just click on open option and you will get the Python location. This is the Python location where your Python exactly installed. You need to copy that. So I copy that location and now close everything. So just close this, and just close this. And now search for system advanced settings, or you can click on this PC, right click on this PC and go to the properties. You will get advanced system settings. Once you will get the advanced system setting, in advanced option, you have an environment variable. Go to the environment variable, click on this path. And if you do not have this path variable, then you need to click on new, write path here and just copy your location here. You can do that. And if you already have that, so just click on path and add it. So just edit that and just click on new, copy paste your path here. And you can see as I already have that. So you can click OK and then just click on OK here and just click on OK here. Now just open your CMD command prompt and now just write Python here. So once you will click Python here, you can see it's a Python shell. I can write some codes here. Now to exit from this Python, I have a predefined function exit. Just enter and you are outside. Now how we will install any Python? So to install any Python module, Python -m pip install and your module name. Install and your module name, whatever the module you want to install. Suppose I want to install matplotlib. Okay, so for that you need to connect with the network as well. So once you will click on this matplotlib, it will download from Google. Make sure you have a strong network connection, as I do not have. Otherwise it will, you can see, collecting and downloading. So it's downloading. So once the download will be complete, it will take seconds, but I do not have a strong connection right now. That's why it's taking more time. So as you can see, it's taking time because of network issue, but after successfully installation, now you are able to use that module. So whatever the module you want to install, you just need to use Python -m pip install matplotlib and pandas, whatever the module. Here you need to write your module name, but for that you need to set a Python environment variable, and how we will set that I already talked about it. Okay, so thank you so much for the day.